My name is Shirley Valencia, and this is week 5 presentation. I'm trying to be a little bit more animated in my slides, so we'll see how this goes, okay? So this week we're doing the pre-literature review, and the common theme that I will have for all my 4 articles would be related to social work. So I'll be talking about recruitment, training, compensation, and unions. The reason I chose this is because actually I've never really dived into how the union works with social work and all that, so I'm interested in that. And the training, and of course the compensation. So those are my 4 chapters, in the common theme again is social work. Next, I'm gonna go over how I logged into the library system to be able to get some of the articles that I gathered already. So of course we're gonna log into our page. Then we're gonna select the university library, and then once we're there, we're gonna go to research, tools, and then databases. Once we're in the databases, we're gonna choose by subject. So for us would be the public administration abstracts, or that's the one I selected. There's more if you want to look. And then starting with the select the field and other field. And so this is where I selected, like for example, compensation and social work, and then search, and then it brings you to your search or whatever it found. So this is what mine found. I think this one's like compensation and stuff. So if you can look on the left hand side where it's highlighted, I selected all the scholarly peer review journals only. And then it has also the publication date. You can play with that. There's some that are really old, and then the narrower the publication date is, well, of course, the less articles you receive. Then for one of them, I was trying to find training for the social work, and they didn't have it available, so I ended up requesting it from Beach Reach. And you can do that with, like, over here when it tells you like different things, like it's available on PDF, or get it through CSULB, or the other one, the metrics, and none of them were available. So this one I actually have to request it, and they ask you several questions, like by when do you need it and stuff like that. So they'll probably send it via email, hopefully soon. I did reach out to one of the librarians because I was having a hard time finding enough articles in regards to recruitment and social workers in the public administration abstracts. So I went ahead and did it, and I just screenshotted what our conversation was with him, and he gave me like different feedback and how to get in there. So he sent me to a different search. It wasn't through public administration, and I went through it, and it actually took me to a broader selection of articles, but however they were not emphasized in public administration. So I looked at some of them, if they would still apply to what we're doing. But he was helpful, and then at the end he sent me like he did send me an email with our conversation and what we spoke about. So that was cool. And for lastly, this is that what I use to do my APA. This is actually from the website, from the library website. On the when you're working on an article or something, it has citations, and it tells you like if you need assistance, and if you bring this up, it tells you how to APA style will be. So it gives you a little bit of instructions, and at the bottom I put one of my articles. This is not a times 12 what is it, Times New Roman 12 font, because it was so small you couldn't see it. So I just bumped it a little bigger so everybody could see it. but it is Times New Roman 14. Okay, guys, well, that's what I have for this week. So, thank you very much.